Hey, what's up, everybody? This is John again. We're going for our second day trading here, the strategy, uh, supports and resistance. And today is Friday after payroll, so I don't believe like the market is going to be um, very good for us. But it's still, this is going to pose as a challenge because the market's going to be pretty tall. Like everybody had to make money; they already made during payroll. See during 9:30, which was this time here. Can you see this period of time here when the market went down and then up? So as you can see, this is the longest period of time that I can have, 1 month. So market has been uh, trading in a price that we have no lines here. So you guys, I'm gonna draw my lines here with you guys. And let's start trading them. Well, I believe this line here is clearly a support, resistance, I mean, sorry. See, the market tried to break out and couldn't, and finally broke down, then here again and again and again, see? So I want to have a line, or maybe this one here, because the 44 and a half instead of 44.75, because it touched this line here more often, and right now it's right there. Okay, and if the market continues going up, most likely support we have, I would say here, but if you take a look at here, you see the line didn't didn't work as a resistance at all. So maybe this one up here that also acts as a support. Let's zoom out and maybe you could see it better. Uh, Probably, yeah, this line here. Can you guys see it? It acts as a support here, and then uh, here again at 3:35 of the 5th, which was yesterday. And all right, so let's do it. This line here, which is the 47.25. Perfect. That's it. A great line. And if it keeps going further up, I believe the next line, well, this one was, as you can see, like yesterday, the market moved very little. Like it was moving like only one tick. See, from 48.50 to 48.75, and then another tick here, 49. So it was pretty much a lateral. It makes things harder for us. But let's do it. So, well, maybe this one because I'm actually like more often, So let's put a line here at or maybe the 49.25 because as you can see here, the 49.20, the 49.25. Well, let's draw this line here at 49.50, so we know it is somewhere in this area here. There was a big congestion. And now if the market goes down, we'll probably have a support here, clearly, because of this area here and also here. So somewhere in between 43.50 and 43.25. Let's go with 43.25. And I want to have another line here at the 42. All right. I'm just counting the body of the candle, not counting the shadow. All right, perfect. Well, this area here of the 43.75 also seems to be pretty much congested. You see this area here. Let's keep it clear. I don't want to draw that many lines, so let's go. The first video, I was trading with 5 contracts. You guys are going to be allowed to trade 15 contracts. So I'm going to double now. I'm gonna go for 10 because I don't want to make 125 now. I want to make 250 per trade. So let's aim for two trades. That's it. Two trades, 500 bucks. So what right now the market is being traded at 44.50. There's a line here. We could I mean actually we couldn't do anything here because it is not advisable that we do anything very close to the price. We want to be far from it. So the next line we have here is 43.25. So what do we do at supports? Remember, if it's below the price, it's a support. It's above it, it's a resistance. Below the price here, it's a support. What do we do with supports? We buy. So there you are. And if the price goes up, take a look here. I believe there is a line here. See the body of this both candles here. So there was a support here, and then this support became a resistance here for these three candles, and then it finally broke out, and then again a support here. So I think I want to draw a line at this 46. Yeah, 46. Perfect. No, not 46. The 40, 45, 75. So what I'm gonna do at 45, 75? I am going to sell if the market ever gets there. Now, what we gotta do is wait. We gotta be patient. Remember, guys, I told you in the first videos that if I could give you guys an advice, it would be being patient and do not be greedy. So if you have the combination of these two, if you're patient and you're not greedy, you're bound to make money in the market. But now if you're impatient or greedy, it's very likely you're going to lose money. All right, so I'm gonna stop the video right now. It's right now it's 3:37. I don't know if you guys can see here in my computer. 3 3:30 3:37, and I'm gonna stop the video so you guys don't have to wait with me for it to get out my order. So I'll be back. Hopefully, I'll be back in a second. It won't take long to reach my place. Hey, we're back. It's 3:40 now. I'm just about to tell you guys that the market is creating a new support line. As you can see here, the 44.25. Take a look here at 9:50 a.m. The market after payroll, it went all the way down. It stopped here at this 44.25, and then after it broke out, this 44.25 act as a resistance, and then here again, and then finally broke out, and here's support again. See, then here it didn't hold up. It broke down all the way down, but as you can see here, it worked out again as a resistance here for this during 12:20 to 12:35, and then here again at 1:35, and now the market is having trouble trying to break out this 44.25 line here. So we have two very close lines here, one at 44.50 and at 44.25. All right, so basically what we want to do here is buy here, but we will only buy here if the market like went all the way up to my 45.75 here. Then I would definitely buy here at 44.25. But right now it's too close to current price, so we're still going to be patient and keep on waiting. 3:49 and the market hasn't moved an inch. That's a really patience game. Well, I believe the market's gonna reach this 43.75 line here, because as you can see, it also acts as a support here sometimes, here and then here again, and again here, and then here as a support, as a resistance. So it was 40 at a time, and now, so I believe the first point the market is going to reach is this 43.75, and hopefully go down to 43.25. Well, maybe what we could do is enter partially, and if we have a line here, enter with five contracts here, 43.75 and 43.25. As the market's pretty dull and pretty slow, let's just wait. So I've decided to draw a line here at this 43.75. All right, so I'm going to enter partially now with my 10 contracts that I was going to use, 43.25. So I'm going to open five contracts here at 43.75 and then five more at 43.25. And let's keep on waiting. Hey, we're back. It's 4 o'clock, and the market has reached this small resistance line here. Can you guys see it here? It was this line here where the market reached today's 9:30. Yeah, during payroll. See this line here, and also here. So the market has reached this resistance here. But instead of placing an order here, I prefer to place an order even further up that I consider to be a more solid support or resistance line. So let's hope it gets there. There you go. The market's trying to reach that line. It's 402 right now. See, it's very close. We're here at 45.75 with 10 contracts. And our stop loss of 1.5 point here at 47.25, which is dangerous because it's the next resistance line we have. And our take profit is here at 45.25. Let's hope it gets our order. Hey, we're back. It's 4:09. I have lost track of time. I don't know how long we've been here waiting for, but look, the price has finally reached our target here of 45.75. Let's hope our order goes through. Remember that we're always last in line in the platform as it's a simulator, so the market has to consume all these contracts here uh, in order for our orders to go through. So let's be patient. See, it's back to 45.50. No, so it's still struggling. Come on. I believe we've been here for almost half an hour, haven't we? Waiting for the market to get to our price. Finally, it has arrived. Oh, people keep adding more contracts here. See, 700. So as we're always last in line, the market has to touch the 46 for our order to go through. So let's hope it happens before the market starts going down. Oh my goodness. No, no. Take a look. The market is going down to our profit 45.25. But it didn't get our order at 45.75 first. Oh, I hate it when it happens. I hate it. Oh my goodness. Come on. We were supposed to be making $125 already with 10 contracts here. So were we in trading the real thing, or would have already gone through, and we'll probably be in the game. Well, now we're in the game. See, it went all the way up to 46, touched the 46, and then it got our orders. But now it went up to 46, so we're losing quarter of a point. Let's be patient and come on. Look, there's like 103, 1,300 contracts here in front of us for our profit. And the market has to touch the 45. It has to take all these orders before ours. Let's just keep watching and practice our patience. Exercise our patience. So now we're back to uh, breaking even, but come on, I still believe this line is gonna hold up the price, and we're gonna leave this trade with money in our pockets. As you can see, like the price is still struggling here at 45.75, 45.50. We're still good. We're still good. Guys, I'm gonna pause recording for a while because that's we're also exercising our patience here. You guys don't have to be stuck in the straight with me. 417 right now. Oh, there you go. See, we're making half a point. Not half a point. We're making like one tick. See, $125. Come on, just 300, 600 contracts for our profit. Come on. Keep coming down, baby. I want my $250. No, 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 no. See, people are buying more contracts for 700. Maybe if we were in line here in the real platform, we would have left straight already with our money. But we play in hard mode. We always last in line. Make sure that the trade was successful. So there's no way whatsoever we would lose in the real thing. Come on. 300, 200, and there you go. $250. Well, let me see how long it took. We've been stuck here probably since 3:30, right? Now it's 4:20. So it took us something like 45, 50 minutes to make $250. Well, I can say the wait was totally worth it. It was worth the wait. So now let's wait for it to get down here. Maybe we could buy here at this 44.50, but again, it's too close to the price. Although, as you can see, there's like lots of contracts here. Those contracts, 2000, 1900, 1800, there are more contracts than we have here in the counterpart 7. So they act as a protection zone, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move my purchase to this 44.50. 44.50. There we go. Only 5 contracts, because then we're going to enter partially, because there's another um, support here at 43.75. So I want to split my contracts. There you go. Come on. See where the price stopped at 44.75. This support here, guys, we missed it by one tick. We missed it by one tick. Take a look. Take a look. That was the line here. See how they're very close. So best thing to do is cancel this order here. Safest thing is cancel this order because we missed it by half a point. So maybe when it breaks out this line here, it's going to come all the way down to this one here, 44.25, 44. So we're going to be um, buying here at 44.25. There you go. And now let's wait. It's 424, and this 44.75 line here is still um, acting as a support for the market. So I want to move this line here on the 44.50 to 44.75. See here, there you go. Better that way. But it's too close right now to the price, so we're gonna get in the market in the next support line, which would be this one here at 43.75. Hey, I decided to move my support line here to 44, just counting the body of the candle here and also here and here. All right, and as this resistance line here. So we have an order here. We're buying 5 contracts at 44. I think I'm gonna go with 5 here and 5 at the next support line, which is 43.25. Hey, there are 2,000 contracts at 44. I believe it's going to be pretty hard for the market, for our order to go through. Very, very hard. But, okay, but I'm still confident that we have a chance of winning here if the market ever gets to the 44. So let's wait. Let's wait. So the market didn't reach our 44 hour ago here. It went back to 44.75, which is one line that we have. And I am not going to place another order here at 45.75 because it was a line. We made our profit. So the next time the market reaches that line, it's very likely to break out. So it could work, but it's better safe than sorry. As you can see, the lines, they work for, see, it held out the price for 1, 2, 3 candles, a fourth candle. It totally broke out this price and went all the way down. And acting as a resistance here, it held out for the first candle and the second candle, but then the third candle, it broke out and then it went all the way up. So see, it was 1, 2, and 3 candles already. So probably the next time the market touches this price, it's gonna break out. The only the only scenario would place another short sell 45.75 would be if the market went really down, like all the way to 43.25. Then I would definitely be confident of that point again. But right now, I wouldn't. Let's wait and see. Hey guys, we're back. It's 4:45. I believe we've been here for 1 hour right now, or over that. And well, so far we were able to perform, to make one trade. The market didn't go to our lines here. As you can see, the 44.75 line here held its position beautifully. See, the market wasn't able to get through it. It got through it like a little bit at 4:15, but went all the way back up. If we had bought here, we would have definitely have left the market with our profit here. Uh, right now it's 4:45 my time, which means it's 2:45 Chicago time. Market closes at 3:15, so we still got half an hour. Let's see if in that half an hour we're going to be able to do something. Here we are again. See, now the market, it broke out the 44.75 line. Now it has stopped at the 44.25. Take a look here. This tiny, teeny little support line here, and our order is here. This huge support line here, which I believe to be more of a support, resistance support at the same time. I believe this is going to be our last trade. I don't think the market's going to go even further down to the 43.25 unless like it's pre-closing, so it's going to close in 25 minutes, so it might get a little bit hectic at the end. That's why I'm still leaving this buy in here at 43.25. But let's hope at least it gets over 44 here. But there are 2,200 contracts here. That's going to be a tough thing to happen. There are not that many people selling, that many contracts. So again, exercising our patience. Lucky me, I've got Star Wars game on my phone, so that's what I do. Spend time, kill time, while I wait for the market. 20 minutes for the market to shut down. I'm very inclined to perform another trade here, like selling again at 45.75. But I am gonna hold back, hold my horses, and stick to this strategy. I'm not gonna do that again. So we perform one trade here at this point. We burned a point. Take a look. As you can see, the market is touching that 45.75 line, 45.75 line. Yes, and I decided not to buy there because it was touching there quite a few times, and I believe that it might come to breakout. So let's see if it's actually going to break out or if this line is going to resist once again. Still a lot of struggle. I believe it's going to be hard for it to move past the 46.25. See, as there's a lot of contracts here, like 2000, 2200, 2100, 2947, which 47, by the way, is one of our lines here. 47.25 actually is our line. There is a lot of contracts up here, but there you can see here lots of contracts. Wow, take a look. See, it did break out 40 to 45.75. We would be losing here one tick right now or two ticks. $250. Dangerous. Now where are we trading? I think this 47 is gonna hold its ground. Take a look, 2,900 contracts. So let's see this 46.75. Where is it? 46.50. You see 46.79 here, the top of this line here, top of this resistance. I'm gonna be there. 10 contracts. Our line here is the 47.25. So why am I not there? Simple, because there's like just too many contracts, and these contracts, they work as a protection zone. So it's going to be very hard for the market to move past by it. That's why I'm getting in before with 5 contracts here. And if it does get to 47.25, I can sell 5 more. But doubt it. I doubt the market is going to go to 47.25. We still have like 12 minutes. Right now it's 3:03 Chicago time, 5:03 my time. So, ooh, there it's back to our 47, 45, 75 line. Back up. Nice. I like when the market is volatile like that. See, all these contracts here are pushing the price uh, back down. Take a look. This movement of the market is due to the pre-closing of the market. So let's just watch. Wow, take a look. This 45.75 actually held back, and if we had sold there, we would have made our profit. It was actually a doji. Take a look. Wow, amazing. And it's there again to our 45.75 line. Although it's very tempting selling here, I will not do that. I will refrain from doing that. I already have here my next order 46.50 and 47.25. And if it goes down, I'm buying here at 44 and also at 43.25. The last 15 minutes of the market, um, there you go. See our 46.75 order. It went through. Now let's hope it gets down to 45.26 to take our profit. 3,400 contracts here. Wow. But look, also 33 here. So that's going to be a challenge. This is right now in my platform here. It says it's 4:55, which means right now it's 2:55 Chicago time. So that's not as the pre-closing. Oh, see, it actually reached our 47.25, the line we wanted it to reach. The 47.25, our order was there. We had 10 contracts there, but we decided to split. Put five here at 47.75, and five here at 47.25. But the price only touched uh, uh, the market only touched our price, didn't get our order. Now it's pretty hectic. This last 15 minutes is going to be exciting. Oh, that was closed. Almost left with our profit. There you go. Now I'm going to have to bring my profit down a little bit. Oh, damn. I didn't have the time to move my profit. As you guys see, it was so fast. So I made like only $125. Oh, it was so fast. I didn't have the time to move it. But did you guys see how the 47.25 line held up? It went all the way down to, see, take a look. Wow, that was amazing. Love that. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring my take profit down because the platform. Remember, we had sold at 46.75 and then again at 45.25. Our average price was at 47, as you can see here. Look, we sold at 46.75 and we sold again at 47.25. So our average price was somewhere in the middle of it, in the middle of 46.75, 46.75, and 47.25. The middle is 47. And then we left with only one tick, so we made only $125. This platform automatically adjusts my take profit and my stop losses. So, and then it brought my gain to only half a point, to actually one tick. And wow, we could have made another 250 bucks. That was sad. Really, really, really sad. Well, guys, I think we should call it a day. I'm not going to perform another trade here. And my goal is 2 trades a day. 500 bucks. As I am here with 375. Well, okay, let's take the chill and accept it. Let's have one more. So I'm gonna use this line here, 44.75. That definitely I'm gonna buy here 44 44 75. That was a great line and held up the price amazingly well. So let's let's do it. But while the market doesn't get out of order, a good exercise after the market closes is to adjust our support and resistance lines. So I think I think I want to. This 44.75 was pretty good. I believe they held its ground amazingly well. See over here, and then over here acting as a resistance. Then as soon as it was breached, as soon as it broke out, the market broke out this line. That's 44.75. It acted as a support amazingly well as well. So definitely leave it there. Um, this the 43.25. The market didn't get here. But I would still leave it here to actually I would move it a little bit up and consider only the body of the candle here, as you can see, the body of the candle here, and the body of the candle here, the body of the candle. This tick means nothing. It's just shadow, tick. So consider just that. So definitely adjust our lines here. Maybe add another one, 44.25, but I think this 44.75 was great. And this one here, the 45.75 was also great. We were able to perform like one trade here and make money. See, and it held up the market uh, for three more times. Now let's see if it's gonna hold the price here. If this line is gonna act as a support. Let's wait and see. See the price. The market is touching the 46 actually. The 46. See the 46 here and here. But I wouldn't move this line here. I would keep my line at 45.75. So my lines are well adjusted for tomorrow. And let's see. Let's wait and see if the market is going to come all the way down to 44.75. This candle represents the 3 o'clock candle, so 15 more minutes. Take a look. The 45.75 is acting as a support now. Let's see if the price is going to go back to 46.50. So maybe we could use this as support and buy here later on, another day. So the 45.75 did not work as a support here. Now the price is going to our next support, which is 44.75. Let's hope it gets our order. There you go. The price has touched our the price we wanted. Let's just wait and see if it's gonna get our order. Oh, players keep renewing the contracts. See, contracts are consumed, and then at the same time they're back to 1,000. See, 900, 1,900, 1,000. So it means that players keep buying there. They keep putting more contracts, renewing the contracts. That's great. It's gonna be hard for it to break out, but it has to break out just a little bit. Touch the 44.50 for our order to go through. Come on. Just 900 contracts. No, I'm not asking too much. Oh, there you go. There you go. We're in the game. Oh, and we're losing. My goodness. Not only 900 contracts. Oh, this is the very last candle before closing. Very dangerous now, guys. Very dangerous. Dangerous trade. But I'm still confident we're gonna make it. I'm still confident. Ooh, but there's 1,500 contracts. Come on, come on. Oh my God, come on. If I win, I swear I will never trade 5 minutes to closing again in my life. Seriously, don't do that at home. 5 minutes. See, that's. Come on, come on. I don't think I'm gonna be able to leave this trade before the market closes at 3:15. Look, this is the last candle. Come on, or the second to last. Yeah, second to last. Come on, I promise. If I win, I will never trade uh, at pre-closing 5 minutes before the market closes. I swear. Kids, don't do that at home. Trade 5, 10 minutes prior to the closing. See, there's a big chance of nothing happening. Oh my! I think I should bring my take profits to 45 and just get one tick out of that. Because can you see how there's like no contracts at all here? That's what I'm gonna do, guys. Bring it down, bring it down, or maybe leave at price. Because take a look, see, no contracts here, and take a look at this huge amount of contracts here. Comes like probably double the numbers of contracts here compared to buying them. So I'm gonna bring my stop loss to. Let's wait. Come on, come on. I just want to leave before the market closes in 5 minutes. Ooh, now we're losing. Oh, ouch. That's gonna hurt, guys. That is gonna hurt. It might reach the 44.25. See, there's another support line here at 44.25. 44.25. It's back. I'm gonna leave this trade. I'm gonna leave this trade. What am I gonna be? There you go. Yes, I made $62. All right, guys, I was lucky. I mean, trading 5 minutes before the closing of the market, that's dangerous. Oh, see, I could have made 1 point here because now it's 45.25. That was my take profit actually. But I believe for $137 is good enough. See, it's still going up. So this 44.75 line here is amazing. I'm gonna keep it for tomorrow. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. I hope it was not that boring because, man, I've been here since wow, almost 2 hours here. But, well, who makes $437 in 2 hours? So it's totally worth the wait. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys another time.